Greetings, viewers and subs. Yes, so today my synopsis will be on Jahcure, you know? Yeah, people. And Jahcure and certain we have the Rasta man lifestyle. Oh, him a go on right now. And people, this is not Jahcure, this is not say me come out a bash you because everybody else have video or them thing there. You know what I mean? Nah, I try bash you. No, this is just that some things me have to speak on as a Rasta, as the ones I tried to as a Rasta. You see me? And certain discipline, Jahcure, you don't know. If you there in the deformity and the firmity. Yeah, people. And further on down in the storyline, I want to talk about Pretty Dunce, aka Pretty Dan. Could have never be my dad. Yeah. Yeah, she refer something about Rasta and want to make it clear up our G's out our mouth. So yes, people, we're moving on, yeah? We're moving on. Yeah, so Jahcure, as from a Rasta perspective, you see me? Jahcure, come on, man. What kind of lifestyle them the aya? And a matter of fact, me never ask you what kind of lifestyle them there. Cause sometimes you don't know. Woman, you know what I mean, try to slander and mash up a man career. Worse now due to social media, they and them something there where a lot of people can jump on the inside. Them just push out anything and say some things and you don't know. It kinda bring down that person and them cancel them career. Yeah, the new thing, people canceling their career. So nowadays people can decide whether you go somewhere in life or stop right there. So they cancel your career, people. Yeah. And Jahcure, I see the video with the woman them and the two girls them attack say, you know what I mean? You want a certain sexual act done to you and all of that. You know? Which we know say that can be lie or a lie. Cause sometimes some women no get them way, them try to slander your name. Worse your artist now, them know say yo, Jahcure what? Say that boy, me don't know everybody run with it, but they don't go money are liar. Some of them, enough of these ladies are liar. So Jahcure, big man thing, me nah kinda elaborate on the part that we never talk about the them depreciating sex act there. You know what I mean? Because after you're an alkaline or we don't know what kind of alkaline lifestyle in the brother. But moving on, yeah, we now go kind of follow them up on the part there. But Jahcure, oh yeah, pay for two women fly down in a hotel room for do what? Perform sexual act on you? Why, Rasta, do no cure. You're paying for two women fly down to perform sexual act. If that wasn't for two music video you go shoot in a Rasta, here or now you go get burned out by the Rasta fraternity. Remember when Iwan said this? Burn filthy piggish clique. No. Yeah, people. Yeah. We no bow out. We no follow folly. Jahcure. You see me? So when you are going to have two women in a room now, a hotel where you fly them in, pay for them ticket and thing, and then after that, certain things not happen, and you probably not pay them fully or them something there, and the whole story turn over. So where you think I go and cure? Jaja, we can't believe Jahcure, a man where me listen to Rasta coming up. You know what I mean? where me look up to Rasta, you know what I mean? Even though you did have that little rape charge for your thing, but you don't know. A lot of things come out, oh, I never hear my friend them, and yes, the Jahcure people still look past that. As what Tulax did I say, if you want to go over and go listen to Tulax, in the meantime, people, you know, we get enough understanding. You see me? Yes, because Tulax them now, from a decade now, they have been one of Jamaica's most, educational, you know, and beneficial to Jamaica in an educational way where them enlighten us. And most of their words they said used to send we go look back into dictionary, just like when Cartel just come out and sing certain tune with those words and send us go look in dictionary. You know what I mean? Yes, these guys have been the forefront runner, one of the forefront runner of educational facts in Jamaica and down through in the government and all of that, enlightening us and opening us, open up our eyes to certain things. Yes, people. So, Jahcure, over you go there so now, and I go put out certain things, and that no come true for them woman there, them a go try blast you up on social media, which them know say, that them can get to you the first thing for hurt you. You see me? And regardless if you not get whatever done to you or whatever wish never granted to you, Jahcure, hear how you behaving in my background. Me a broken one. Rare. Attack to the ladies them in a way. And to have yourself classified as a Rasta, Jahcure. What about those days? Father, we need your blessing. Every day our children cry. Come on, Jahcure. Each day as me start see something about you higher, me start lose off of you, and that's not good. Because enough of the youths them now, enough of the young rebel them will grow like I and I in my 30s and things right now. I will look up to Uno young look up to Uno Rastas, but then young rebel Rastas now we are big lion. And we are say yes, we are trod like the eye them, like Sizzler and them man they, but every day we come out with this, you know what I mean, European lifestyle, like we make it get to the Rasta. You know what I mean? And you defaming the woman them and talking to them like, come on, you're a murderer, brother. And as we Tulax them say Jamaican have, you know what I mean, a duplicative mind. Yes, we in Jamaica, this society have a duplicative mind in which we just choose upon what we believe and base upon our feeling at the moment. But we never know what we are choose. We never even look into it. Yeah. So at one point the people them with your Jahcure, but as you slip and you not do what them a do, Rasta, why they ready for bash you. Them ready for kill you, And that you have to see. You see me? I see another video where you also said that, You know what I mean? As me say, I'm not coming at you, Jahcure. You know what I mean? I'm just trying to see your perspective of a Rasta man. Me see another video you posting, yes, Rasta fi have nice thing, and yes, me no say rape on that, Jahcure. But, you know, when too much, you running down too much nice thing as Rasta, we get too fancy in our fashion lifestyle. And you find out, say, we lose our and our powers, and we powers Rasta. So certain thing we have to leave cure. What about the cure way back then, Oh, you think of people that jump on your name right now, cure, because they leave in opening space for disrespect. You see me? When you're too friendly as a Rasta, although a Rasta say humbleness and thing, but when you're too friendly and around too much joke with certain people and thing, it will open out space for disrespect, Rasta. Yes, I am. And as me say, me see you fly down, say you pay for 2 women for flying and all of that. And it's not, if it's not a music video shoot, that's kinda, you know what I mean, a tree something, and I am not saying that me a bash the or nothing, but You know what I mean? To Rasta now, that's a kind of a freaky play. You don't know once threesome coming to it, brother. Not every other some can come in. And that's why now the woman them have certain things slandering your name out there and can't say certain things because you open that gate of opportunity for certain people can come in and disrespect you, and now they think they can diss the Rasta fraternity just because the way you used to trad Jahcure as a Rasta standout predominant and a trad upon the high trait. Now when you broke that high trait and start move shaky and all of them something there, Rasta, everybody are gonna come in and try for disrespect, you know. You see me? You make down evil popcorn to bumbuckler Rasta. Look more Rasta than you. Yeah, man. Big woman thing, man. So, Jahcure, I don't know, you have to go fix up on the folly ground in a Rasta. Because when you do them things, the brother, you only make people come in upon the movement of Rastafari. You have Selassie name a play with. Them now go see those Jahcure behind that, you know. Them a say Rasta first, you know what I mean? So, brother, you make them a slander Rasta name too much, which I wanna not keep the discipline. Because Rasta is discipline. And if you can't keep the discipline of Rasta cure, you're gonna get carried away by all these fashion things and folly of the earth. Remember, you know, Rasta said we are in this world, but we are not of it. So you have to get those inner standing, brother, and stand outside. Get the overstanding and stop understand. You know what I mean? That's how people need to get. Yes, and meditate on that ones and ones. So ones and ones can reason whenever we have a different thing like this or a certain situation like this. We not just come out and bash ones and ones. We can reason upon it. You know what I mean? This two-minded thing in Jamaica, may I tell you, it's very scary, people. May I tell you, you can be this good person right now and by later you're this bad person just by the social media. Yeah, man. And Jahcure, big man thing, if none of them something they are involved in and none of them there is right, brother, are true, because I wasn't there. These are just allegations. A fire put upon them something there, and fire upon you, man, with them thinking there and them thing, if it's right. But if not, you don't know higher. Just be careful and stop move certain way, because you are open certain door for certain things come in and disrespect. You know what I mean? And you have to remember to have on the name pan name. And not just little Babylon name you have right now. You put on Rastafari name pan name, so you always get called first by the name Rasta. So you have to fix up on the folly higher. And that's all I want to tell you. Yeah, man. Fix up on the folly, man. All I know we have this year and I wear Rasta name, man. I hail the king, man. You have to fix up on the folly. No for you not hail the king neither. You just I say Rasta, but you not hail Selassie. I get the medication. Yes, the medication. The meditation is the medication. Because once we meditate, it fixes we up to go the good. And we know what we are do. You see me? Yes, I. So, people, just understand what me I try to say. Yeah, man. Rasta thing come with discipline. And you can't be a Rasta without discipline. Yeah, man. And you have to know how to be spiritually irrelevant. Yes, I. Yes, and moving on, people. The next person we have to talk to. Yeah. A pretty dunce. Yeah, people. AKA Pretty Dan. Where do you see you come out with a video Pretty Dunce? I talk to, I think you would address curly locks, them thing, two locks. You know what I mean? About him show how him classify the ladies as termite. You see me? Well, pretty dunce or whatever your name. Me hear you come out first and you say, you know you have to go address the situation because you know you're a Rasta. Fire burn you, man. Fire burn you, man, pretty dunce. You is never and could never be a Rasta. You heard? Yeah, man. Rasta no come with sodomity upon the first I name. So fire burn you and all of your followers them where they behind you and your fans. I like up your something them and yes you can be. No, you can never be. Me see, when you come with a thing, when you think say on social media anything nobody agree with, and that's the real thing in life. No, that's just on the media. At the moment on the media, it don't change nothing in life. Your little fans them where you have a boost up on your head when you have education, have no little education in them brain. You know what I mean? Or I try if you get it. Them something they can boost you up for you come say certain thing. But you go come on live I talk about how you know say you talk about something about chat and laugh show and you know chat and laugh is me and we have to address it because I'm a Rasta. You know Rasta. But Jamaica and the world, when did Rasta come to this? When did Rastafari come to this? Where in these days now, where people sodomity can associate themselves with Rasta. And Batman too. No people. Back in the days as they say Rasta, Saddam or gay never want to associate themselves with Rasta. They see us as dreadful people. So how in these modern days now, people, you see, a person come around with their hair cut off and it up top and them do pretty color and all sort of thing and them all want claims Rasta on the name. A fire burn on the man. A fire burn your pretty dan. AKA pretty dunce, man. You dunce with it. Go get some education, B. And try educate yourself about Rasta. And know say Rasta no mix up in on the freakiness. You know listen to Highway. You see me? You know listen to Highway, man. Cause me can't see how you are a kitty and you're a woman and you go start about you know me don't because you lock up your ear and you feel say you're a Rasta. No, I lock up your don't make you a Rasta. I doubt you even hail the king and give thanks and praise to the king. Much less fear go say associate yourself and your name if you say you're a Rasta. Come on, pretty dunce. You cannot do that. That's disrespectful to the Rasta foundation and the Rasta movement and organization. Yeah. And if all of the Rasta them, the warriors them, the real warriors them keep sitting back and make them fool up on the social media come and attack certain things, yo. Them are go kinda make the movement look a weird, brother. Like them want them people take over the movement. After Selassie I come establish this decades upon decades. And it can't change. But these little fool students now come and do them little folly now. You know what I mean? And get shivered by the wayside. And I come deal with certain things and I come try change over certain things. Where they think Rasta can be done away with. Remember one of the time I even text Chronicle on that page and ask him, do we think Rasta can done away with? Because at one point I see my pa with coffee And you don't know Coffee no. Don't come out and say she a what or whatever. She sing some rebel tune, but yeah, we can't say Coffee no come out and say she a Rasta or whatever. You know. Those people I say she a Rasta in her song them when she sing, you know. Make people I say she a Rasta. Coffee never come out and said she's nothing about Rasta. Might be people you know, she associate with now. Make people I say she a Rasta. You see me? And I this so no look good pan the Rasta and movement because well you think you can't carry all sort of people now and say yo no we can't accept this or no Rasta can't be done away with. You know? Never. Rasta thing already secure. You see me? Fermented, established. Yeah, it done ordained. So when me see una come with a bag of things I tried, you can't try change nothing and you can't style Rasta City because a lot of more warriors there stand up firm to we're ready. Yeah, for fight for it. Fight for the seal. Yeah, the seal is Rasta. So pretty dunce when me see her go come and I say that no, fire for you. Take that off of your name. I that me I show you certain things where Footer come out with. Me not really with him with everything. But hey, Footer burn a fire upon somehow. And him right. You see me? Him right. Somehow you I forget fire burn upon you. I doubt if you even heal the king in your life you come talk about you know you're a Rasta. So you have to adjust. How dare you? You can't even speak to curly locks them. Much less in here. But yeah, address the issue. You don't even know what you're talking about. Fire burn sodomity. Yeah man. I'm say that unapologetically. You know what I mean? Yeah, me not have to get no views and no likes and no payments from YouTube to say that. And I have to do these things. Because I know for no, I have to get likes and them something that if you do these things. So now bow down to the Babylon system. I am just broadcasting. Yeah. In one instant at one point, I see one where there, a blogger, he might do some little gay, freaky stuff and I talk about. After that, him come back and I say, hey, you going up? Because I think somebody comment underneath it and I say, away man, they must say, hey, going up, boy. They are shot to the car. Anyone out to dress up like woman like me, I don't know. I go and shot to the. This is not real, you know, because I do it for fans them. I fire him again. But him just doing it for the fans. So we go bend over just to get money just to fans. You know what I mean? Yes, we bend over just to YouTube and pay him. Yeah, make man drive him like him a vehicle. So I fire him get. But him just do this for YouTube and don't do it. I dress up like woman and a bum buckler. How do them man? What do these people nowadays? Yeah. Yes, people, and as I said, you can go check out in the meantime. And my 2 cents over Curly Locks them page. Very educational stuff. A lot of people doesn't like reasoning on educational facts. You know what I mean? That is beneficial to them gaining knowledge to certain things. But as soon as mix up come, them ready for jump in it. You know what I mean? Yeah, people. As we say, Rasta come with a message, not no news. And we come with the message. And just because you see the news, you're not going to pick out the message. You just hear the mix up news, but you're not hear the message. Yeah, man. But people, share the vid. Remember to sub. Because that window is always open. You know what I mean? Bless it.